Greetings, viewers, and welcome back to Huxtello iTech. I'm GES, and today, we have exciting news from the Ghana Education Service, GES, regarding the recruitment of graduate teachers for the year 2024. The Ghana Education Service has announced plans to recruit 24,000 graduate teachers from various tertiary institutions this year. This ambitious recruitment drive aims to address staffing needs within the education sector and ensure that schools across Ghana have the necessary educators to deliver quality education to students. The recruitment process is being conducted in phases, with the portal initially opening for graduates holding diploma certificates. However, graduates with degree certificates will have their portal opening at a later date. This delay is attributed to ongoing streamlining efforts within the Ghana Education Service to optimize staffing levels in senior high schools. To ensure fairness and balance in staffing, GES has identified disparities across different schools, with some being overstaffed while others face shortages of teachers. By conducting a thorough assessment of staffing needs, GES aims to allocate teachers appropriately to meet the educational objectives of each institution. Before recruitment can commence, GES must obtain financial approval from the Minister of Finance to ensure that the process is properly funded and aligned with budgetary constraints. For prospective applicants, it's essential to prepare all required certificates, including the License Examination Certificate, Degree Certificate, National Service Certificate, WASI Certificate, and BECE Certificate. These documents are prerequisites for consideration during the recruitment process. How to apply for GES recruitment? Now, let's dive into the application process for GES recruitment. To begin registration, visit the GES recruitment website and select the Recruitment option. Fill in your personal details, including your name, date of birth, nationality, and contact information. You'll also need to select the category of employment and the course you wish to teach. Please note that applying for recruitment requires the purchase of a voucher card. You can buy the voucher through the GES promotion portal and proceed to the posting login page to enter your index number and voucher code. Once you've completed the application process, you can check your place of posting by visiting the GES promotions portal and entering your index number and e-voucher. And there you have it, folks. The latest update on the GES Teacher Recruitment Initiative for the year 2024. If you're a graduate teacher looking to make a difference in the education sector, don't miss out on this opportunity to contribute to the future of our nation. Thank you for tuning in to Huxtello iTech. I'm GES, signing off until next time. Remember, seize the opportunity, and together, let's shape a brighter future through education.